Hi and welcome back. This is just going to be a real short video because I am up to a lot of stuff right now and have been having trouble finding time to do these. But I was working on making these European style apartment buildings, and I found a really good way to do the windows so I didn't have to model every single frame, and I just want to share that real quick. So, how I did this is I compiled a bunch of images of different window sills and window frames. And in Procreate, I erased out the glass, so it's just transparent behind it. And then I make two separate layers. One which has a glass texture, and we know how to do that. I've done videos on that before. And then one that's UV unwrapped over this transparent texture here, so it just has the windowsill texture. And then I just place the windowsill texture slightly in front of the glass here, and it creates this nice illusion of having nice looking windowsills. And if you get too close, it doesn't look so great, but for far away, I think it looks real nice. Anyways, I will talk to you later. Bye.